So today I'm going to show you step by step how I made the envelope that I showed you all at the beginning of the video using Cricut Design Space, but only using free shapes. So thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much. The first thing you're going to want to do when you're in Cricut Design Space is you want to go to shapes. So the first piece that we want to make is like the backing front part of it. So I'm not going to do exact measurements for this video, but size it as big as you want it to be, as small as you want it to be. But we'll start with this square, and we'll just try and make it more into a rectangle. And so just so we can see better, I'm going to change the color of the square. So we have this piece. Next, I am wanting to get the side flaps. So for this one, you're going to select the hexagon. And here is where we're going to have to work with what we have. So you're going to want to rotate this 90 degrees. And then you're going to want to put this in the middle, and we're going to have it go out to it's around the ends, and then we're going to bring it out some. And then we're going to bring it back, and we're just going to make sure that this is touching the best way, overlapping the best way as possible. So when that looks good, since we need both sides, we'll just copy and paste and place this over here as well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab all of these, go to combined, and we're going to weld. And then from here, if you want to make it a little bit bigger, you can do so. Next, to get the top flat piece, we're going to go back to shapes, and we're going to get the half circle shape, yes. And also same thing, we are going to rotate this and align this as best as possible to the top here. Stretch it out, and then bring it up so we can have it overlap. And same thing, just align as best as possible here. And then once you get it to your liking, same thing again, grab everything and weld. And then from here, we want to make this piece. So same thing, go back, get the square, and we're going to want to size this in between here to make sure that it's going to fit as perfectly as possible so that they overlap each other. So here, like I said, size it the best way that you can. I'm going to scooch this down. Same thing again, I'm just going to change the color of this. And then again, we are wanting to get the hexagon again. Scroll down, and same thing like we did on the other piece, align this as best as possible. And so we can get that little piece there. Same thing, grab them both and weld it. So now you got the little flat piece that will go within. So now we want to get the little hole where the heart will go. So we'll go back to shapes, and we will get the oval. And we're going to align this as best as possible. We're going to shrink this down. You don't want to be too big, you don't want to be too small. So just be based on how big your envelope is and how big the heart that you're going to want to have as well. So when you get that to your liking, again, grab it, go back to combine, and subtract. So now you have that hole that the heart can fit into. So now we can go ahead and get the heart and move it down. I'm going to change the color of the heart. And here, just want to make sure you size it to where, like, to make sure it'll fit in the hole. So that should be good enough. Like I said, just for this video, I'm not going to do all the ins and outs of making this perfect, but I just want to show you all how to get to this, and you can size it the way that your heart desires. Okay, so now we are wanting to add the score lines. You want the score lines because this is what's going to tell you where to fold it at when your Cricut is cutting it out. You'll also score it to have the little lines to know where to fold it exactly. So you'll go back to shapes. You'll go here to get the score line. And we are wanting to put the score line here because we need the flap here. We'll just go down. And since we also need the same length here, we'll just copy that there. We also need another one to go across here. So let's rotate that to 90 degrees. And this one may need to be stretched a little bit more. So there we go. And just to make sure nothing moves, I'm going to grab everything. I'm going to attach it. Grab everything and attach it. Okay, there we go. So now all your square lines are attached there. And then we're just going to paste another one to go down here across this line at the bottom because we need that to fold as well. We'll just bring that here. Voila. Grab that, same thing, attach it. And then for the heart, you want the heart to fold as well. So we'll just get another score line. Go over here. I'm just going to shrink this down to place it, oops, sorry y'all. Place this in the middle like so. Just so we're able to fold this correctly. Same thing, grab it and attach it. And there you have all the pieces that you'll need to cut to make the envelope. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you saw, please like I said, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment. More videos to come soon. And thank you so much for the support.